Embodied intelligence is opening a new chapter for robotics education. In April, DOBOT brought its Embodied Intelligence Partner Day and Workshop to Germany. Educators, researchers, and industry partners came together to explore the future of embodied AI. The event connected cutting-edge technology with hands-on classroom practice.
Yeah, my name is Philipp Meers. I'm working as a key account manager at Robotics. I think DOBOT is a very important partner for us, and because we have different projects, we also work with the DOBOT at home. I think it's a very important product for us, because you can use teleoperation, you can program this robot.
My name is Michael Niro. I'm heading the research department, automation robotics at the Chair for Production Systems, Ruhr University in Bochum. The product lineup of DOBOT is quite unique and it's very large, so we can go from very small classical 6x kinematic structures, cobots, up to the humanoids. And therefore, I'm looking forward to collaboration, and I'm also happy to see what we can do together with teaching in robotics and embodied AI.
Mein Name ist Stefan Link, ich komme von der Hochschule Koblenz. Ja, ich sehe bei DOBOT, der erste Einstieg war, dass DOBOT sehr kleine Roboter gebaut haben, die sehr preisgünstig zu bekommen waren. Ich finde, DOBOT ist sehr einfach zu bedienen und bringt trotzdem eine hohe Präzision und eine Leistung und auch entsprechende Dauerfestigkeit, so dass man lange solide damit arbeiten kann.
My name is Josh Rouse. I work for Rapid Electronics. We're a UK distributor of robotics, electronics and all things consumable. The new DOBOT Atom and the quadrupeds are going to be a major step in education. They're going to help us support education requirements with AI growing and also be kind of a budget-friendly introduction to universities that don't have experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Polak. I'm represented the company Mivasoft company. I think the humanoid robots has a huge potential in education with using AI, and I hope that that project will be not just one, but that project will be much more with using robotic humanoid robots or humanoid robots.
Our partners see DOBOT Embodied Intelligence becoming a core part of robotics education. DOBOT will continue to work with universities and partners around the world, bringing accessible, flexible, and powerful tools into every classroom and lab. Together, we move toward a future where embodied AI empowers the next generation.